Are you looking for best cordless vacuums for pet hair? Our experts found thousands of feedback online for best cordless vacuums for pet hair, and shortlisted them. This suggestion is created for those looking for their ideal, best cordless vacuums for pet hair. You can find more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned in the description below.
You want to know what the greatest sound in the world is? They say it's... but it's not. It's this. A Wyze vacuum. A Wyze cordless vacuum with a brushless digital motor. 150 air watts of raw suction power. 4 attachments, an LED display, 6 brush headlights, an easy to empty and washable dustbin, a removable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time. The most amazing vacuum ever made. Beautifully crafted for the sole purpose of gracing your ears with this. That is the greatest sound in the world. You're cute too, though.